Hi, this is Arlene. So, anyways, that coughing you heard, that's from the targeting. So you basically get, well, I don't know what happens when I fall asleep, but I'm just glad I fall asleep right away. But when I wake up, I could tell like I'm in, it had some type of magnetic frequency. Whether it has radiation in it or not, I don't know. It either does or it doesn't because I am losing my hair, as you see from the drainage pipe. So, anyways, I haven't. I usually jog every day, and I suggest you do that, especially if you get hit in the lungs. So when I'm at work, you'll see videos where I'm videotaping my chair, and you can see how it's being the chair is getting hit, and you'll see flashes coming from the chair. So imagine if I'm sitting there. So, anyways, probably the past 4 days because of finals, I haven't run like I normally jog every day. And I think that jumping up and down motion kind of loosens up any kind of mucus membranes you have in your lungs. I'm assuming, I'm not a doctor. So, anyways, I haven't really, I haven't really gone jogging. I'm going tonight because I'm done for school until January. But I just wanted to share that, so if you can help it, get out there and get some exercise in, especially if you could jog. The more cardiovascular you can do, the better for your lungs because at least it'll loosen up whatever crap's in there and you can cough it up like I did right now. So, anyways, and then it kind of changes your voice a little bit when you do all that coughing because I sound different. But I'll get my voice back, especially when I go jog right now. I have more to cough up. I just cough up in the street. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. When it comes, it comes. So, anyways, for people that are by themselves and stuff, don't get scared. It's just a normal. That's probably the reason why. Well, it is the reason why. I know it's the reason why. So, anyways, I just wanted to share that before I go out on my run. Bye.